Hello sa mga viewers natin sa Olongapo, Karatig Bayan sa Bataan at Zambales. Narito ang pinakaabangan ninyong ulat pangkabuhayan at ako po ang inyong kaibigan at kapartner sa job hunting, Abigail Legaspi, na naghahatid ng mga latest job vacancies sa Olongapo, Subic Bay Freeport Zone at pati na rin sa abroad. Labor and livelihood. Ito ang ilan sa mga priority agenda ni Mayor James Bong Gordon Jr. at First Lady Ann Gordon sa HELPS program. Kaya naman tuloy-tuloy ang assistance na ibinibigay ng pamahalang lungsod sa mga Olongapeñong nais magtrabaho o magkaroon ng kaalaman sa pagninegosyo. Last year, more than 5,000 job seekers ang na-hire locally at overseas sa tulong ng Olongapo City Public Employment Service Office. At ayon nga kay Mayor Gordon, our goal is to eventually beat unemployment. Kaya kung wala ka pang trabaho, this might be your chance to get a job and to start or operate your own business sa tulong ng City Cooperative and Development Office. So get your pen and paper ready dahil nandito na ang pinaka-latest job openings para sa linggong ito.
Updated resume with complete attachments composed of the following: 2x2 picture recently taken, photocopy of birth certificate, school diploma or transcript of records, proofs of work experiences, NBI or police clearance.
For SBMA Labor Center job openings, interested applicants may submit the requirements at the receiving section of the SBMA Labor Center Subic Gym. Likewise, all applicants are advised to check the Subic Gym bulletin board for the scheduled date and time of examination and interview.
IDES Interactive Technologies Incorporated needs the following: Executive Assistant, Web Programmer, Illustrator, and C++ Programmer. Closing date, May 30, 2012. Aeroframe Composite Incorporated needs Marketing and Communications Coordinator. Closing date, April 30, 2012. First School is in need of Certified Public Accountant and High School Teacher. Closing date, April 30, 2012. Hawkeye Subic Corporation needs Aircon Technician, Accounting Staff, Molding Technician, and Company Driver. Closing date, April 30, 2012. Chowking Subic is in need of Food Delivery Service Rider, Cashier, Kitchen Staff, and Utility Man. Closing date, May 4, 2012.
Para naman sa mga aplikante ng Public Employment Service Office or PESO Olongapo, maaaring mag-submit ng updated resume with complete attachment sa PESO located at the ground floor annex building of the Olongapo City Hall.
Job openings from Public Employment Service Office or PESO Olongapo. Labor Day job fairs in and out of Subic Bay. Olongapo City job seekers here and from neighboring towns as well can choose from various employment opportunities as the city government in cooperation with SM City Olongapo holds a job fair on May 1, 2012. Dubbed as Pagtutulungan, Pagbabago, Disenteng Trabaho and organized by Olongapo Public Employment Service Office or PESO. The one-day job fair will be held at the 5th floor car park area of SM City Olongapo from 9 to 3 p.m. According to Olongapo PESO, around 30 local companies and 30 overseas employers offering job vacancies will participate at the said recruitment activity. Conti Group of Companies is in need of marketing assistant, accounting clerk, telephone operator, civil engineer, and electrical engineer. Customer Touchpoint Resources Incorporated is looking for marketing assistant, sales associate for apparel and shoes boutique, sales promoter for appliances and computer store, skin specialist for health and beauty store boutique department store. The Lighthouse Marina Resort is in need of carpenter, gardener, night duty officer, service host, head chef, lifeguard, front office supervisor, and aircon technician. SM Department Store is looking for the following: group manager, selling supervisor, sales clerk, sales utility clerk, cashier, checking supervisor, and checker. Link Asia Outsourcing Corporation needs call center agent. ANR Unlimited is in need of delivery truck driver, delivery helper, trailer driver, production machine operator, line workers, QC inspector, warehouse man, IMS supervisor, warehouse supervisor, engineering supervisor, accounting staff, and office staff. Nozomi Fortune Services is looking for production operator, electronic technician, maintenance utility janitor, admin staff, QA QC machine operator. SM Supermarket needs treasury assistant, HR assistant, RDU clerk, company nurse, cashiers, baggers, and selling clerks. Urban Ventures is in need of accounting supervisor, accounting analyst, logistics supervisors, admin officer supervisor. Myrof is looking for area supervisor, promodizer, retail sales coordinator, and sales associate. Laos Group of Companies needs sales executive, service advisors, parts assistant, cashier, junior technicians, sales administrative assistant, finance assistant, liaison man, customer relations assistant, and pre-delivery inspector. Teletech is in need of customer service associate and technical support associates. Inspection Consultant International Philippines is in need of engineers and office staff. Sharp Carilagan Management Services Incorporated is looking for accounting assistant, customer service assistant, import-export staff, promodizer, company driver, warehouse man, and sales executive. Trust International Paper Corporation or TIPCO is in need of farm craft manager, agriculturist, mechanical design engineer, office assistant, lab analyst, and accounting assistant. For overseas employment, Corte Manpower Services Incorporated needs the following position for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia: building technician, general surveyor, welding technician, project engineer, electrical engineer, road equipment driver, crane operator, general electrician, building carpenter, black mason, steel fixer, industrial plant maintenance mechanic, pipe welder, piping worker, and heavy-duty driver. Bison Management Manpower Agency is in need of civil engineer, mechanical engineer, pipe fitter, heavy-duty driver, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, laborer, building painter, mason, engineer quality control, concrete and general building carpenters, steel fixer building tile setter, electrician general household. Philippine Transmarine Couriers Incorporated Manpower Agency for Royal Caribbean International will be needing the following position: Commis Chef 2, Commis Chef 3, Commis Chef 3 Baker, Commis Chef 2 Pastry, Commis Chef 3 Pastry, Commis Chef 3 Pantry, Commis Chef 2 Pantry, Commis Chef 2 Sushi, Commis Chef 3 Sushi, Commis Chef 3 Butcher, Galley Steward, Utility Storekeeper, Cleaners Tailor, Assistant Line Keeper, Pool Attendant, Facilities Cleaner, Assistant Galley Operation Manager, Third Cook Pastry, Third Cook Sushi, Third Cook Pantry, Utility Cleaner, Bar Storekeeper, Assistant Food Storekeeper, Hotel Storekeeper, and Celebrity Cleaner. Near Star International Manpower Agency will be needing factory workers for Taiwan. Grand Placement Manpower Agency will be needing factory workers for Taiwan. Umania International Manpower Agency will be needing cashier, cook, waiter, cook assistant, supervisor, sales lady, assistant shop, beautician, housekeeping villa attendant, steward, storekeeper, upholsterer, waitress, commis, demi-chef de partie, nurse, medical secretary, physiotherapist, aluminum technician, and secretary. RRJM International Manpower Agency Incorporated will be needing technical operator, general draftsman, welder, molding technician, laborer, engineer, engineer senior specialist, special education teacher, class trainer, civil engineer, forklift operator, heavy equipment driver, International expert for technical manpower agency will be needing dentist, orthodontist, dental technician, dental assistant, endodontics, dental nurse, dental hygienist, and tile setter. Camox Philippines Manpower Agency will be needing field operators, plant electrician, welder, diesel engine mechanic, washing and laundry, machine operator, masseur, steward, company driver, painter, hotel receptionist, restaurant supervisor, bellboy, and room attendant. Fireland Personnel Management Corporation Manpower Agency will be needing admin and accountant, cost engineer, tank engineer, material controller, quality controller, safety controller, electrical engineer, tool keeper, fireman, clerk, auto welding foreman, rigging foreman, plate foreman, ironsmith foreman, auto welder, manual welder, plate fitter, rigger, grinder, security guard, draftsman, interior designer, installation and maintenance, waitress, instrument technician, and junior technician. Ayala's Harbor Point in Subic Bay Preferred Zone will also hold a job fair on Labor Day, and around 35 merchants will open their doors to job seekers in and out of Subic Bay.
Sa mga interesado namang matuto sa free livelihood training, narito ang schedule para sa mga susunod na linggo.
Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office schedule of training for the month of May 2012. May 7 to 25, that would be for 15 days, basic massage therapy, 9 to 3 p.m. May 10, basic banking, 9 to 3 p.m. May 11, 18, and 30, that would be for 3 days, digital t-shirt and mug printing, 9 to 12 noon. May 16, basic bag pattern making, 9 to 3 p.m. May 17, cosmetology, basic hair cutting, 9 to 3 p.m. May 22, fish processing, 9 to 3 p.m. May 23 to 25, that would be for 3 days, basic graphic design and website design, 9 to 3 p.m. May 30, fruit and vegetables carving, 9 to 3 p.m. And May 31, sweet and pastries, 9 to 3 p.m. All training materials and trainers' fee are shouldered by the city government in partnership with the Philippine Red Cross or PRC Bagong Bayan, TESDA, and Dole Zambales through the Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office at the Livelihood Training Center, Ohio Street, Calaklan, Olongapo City.
No worries naman para sa mga gustong mag-training dahil pagkatapos ninyong matuto, bibigyan naman kayo ng assistance upang mai-display ang inyong mga produkto sa Gawanggapo exhibit sa Olongapo City Hall. Kaya inaanyayahan ng lahat na magtungo sa Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office para mag-apply dahil limited slots lang ang available sa bawat training course. A tip to job seekers: your resume represents yourself sa mga employers. This is your ticket to .dream job. Kaya naman dapat concise information at complete with attachments ang isasubmit ninyo kapag nag-apply. Congratulations sa lahat ng bagong graduates sa pag-apply ng trabaho. Wear the proper attire at maging confident and honest sa inyong interview. Lagi namang i-observe ang proper ethics sa workplace at always do your best dahil sabi nga ni Mayor Gordon, always fight for excellence.